Cassava is widely planted in the southern hemisphere. At present, it is mainly eaten fresh or processed into cassava flour, and the overall added value is not high. Processing cassava into fried cassava chips as a snack has a wider consumer market, which can not only improve the utilization rate of cassava, but also greatly increase its added value and create higher industrial benefits. Relying on its profound experience in frying production line design, Jalguk successfully delivered a fully automatic fried cassava chips production line. Customized for Indonesian customers, accurately matching the raw material characteristics of cassava, realizing automated production, efficient utilization of raw materials, and stable quality improvement. External heating frying system, precise oil temperature control, high frying oil circulation filtration efficiency, ensuring product quality. Double-layer mesh belt structure meets material characteristics. Cassava chips are fully fried, and the conveying speed is adjustable. Fully automated control, high system automation, reduced manual intervention, and efficient operation. After the production line was put into production, the customer's production efficiency and product quality were greatly improved, and the maximum production capacity could exceed 550 kilograms each. Jalguk provides professional and comprehensive installation delivery and technical training to ensure the fast and stable operation of the production line, help customers reduce costs and increase efficiency, and promote the high-quality development of the cassava processing industry. In the future, Jalguk will continue to innovate and work hand-in-hand with global food processing companies to make food production simpler, safer and more efficient. Jalguk helped the food industry upgrade and create a better future.